This is Jeff's request from a boat shed at Norfolk. On board the Summercraft 30. This is in the stern well. Flooring has been professionally finished. Looking across to the galley. Moving forward, galley sink or basin more likely, and round to the saloon, and looking aft. Moving up into the cockpit, wheelhouse, cockpit seat, cockpit instruments, two side companionways, one port, one starboard, looking down into the lounge and galley. Forward, down some steps into the forward cabin. Two single V berths here, and a view into the what would be the anchor locker. And I understand there is an infill to make this a double. Onto the starboard side, into the heads, which has been upgraded. And finally, round to port side with a separate shower room. Very nice size it is too. This boat has been incredibly well maintained and a very rare purchase. If you're interested in seeing any more of this boat, then please go to www.boatshednorfolk.com, and thanks for watching.